Welcome. In this quick video, I'll show you how to download and install Steam on your Windows 11 PC. Fast and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to store.steampowered.com. Once you're on the home page, click the green Install Steam button at the top right corner. This will take you to the download page. Click the big Install Steam button again. Your browser will start downloading the Steam setup file. Usually it only takes a few seconds. When it's done, click on the downloadable file at the bottom of your browser or in your downloads folder. If you get a pop-up asking for permission, click Yes to allow it to make changes. The Steam setup window will open. Click Next, then choose your preferred language and hit Next again. Now pick the installation folder, or just leave it at the default location, and click Install. When it's finished installing, make sure Run Steam is checked, and then click Finish. Steam will now launch and begin updating itself. This only takes a minute or two. Once the update is completed, you'll see the Steam login window. If you already have a Steam account, go ahead and log in. If you're new, click Create a new account and follow the steps to get started. And that's it. Steam is now installed and ready to go. You can now browse games, make purchases, and join the community. If this video helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.